All right, folks. This is Eddie Contreras. It's Saturday night, November 28th. It's about 8:25. Your kids are out partying. You're kind of, interested in whether or not you want to be partying. But if you had an extra $1,000 in your pocket today, would you even be thinking about would you want to party? I mean, you'd be home watching your favorite movie, ordering the best takeout in town, and so on. Okay? You deserve it. I mean, I'm almost 50 years old, and I tell you, I've held some interesting jobs. I've held all sorts of pressure packed, you know, um, work environments. And the fact is, we endure things for the vacation and the fun. Not everybody gets to trade in the stock market and make as much fun as others. You've seen this people, they're famous, okay? The Nigerian brothers, to name a few. Um, Listen, you're gonna be fine, but because you're paying attention. All right, this is another stock we're going to look at. Ticker BYSI. All right, BYSI. Just look it up. All right, so it's called Beyond Spring. On you know on Monday, I put it on my stock watch list. Um, on November 20th, let's see. So this is the 16th. This is the 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. This is an interesting situation. Okay, it's an interesting situation. I don't understand 100% why this came up on my watch list. I mean, aside from the fact that on the 20th, this stock had been decreasing like hand over fist, as they say. So, what exactly was happening on the volume? Let's see what happens. Give me a moment as I focus on that and bring you a snapshot of the volume. Okay, give me a moment. I'm still gonna print it out for you. Okay, let's look at the volume. So clearly, my alert came in because there was some volume. Okay, let's see what that volume was. Let's see what that volume was. Okay, I can't really see. Hang on. Okay, there it is. Okay, so the volume, the 20th. Okay, the 20th indicated that there was some unusual volume because this price seemed to be the suggestion was that I guess on Friday and on Thursday there was just a lot of activity. All right. Um, Now, again, after a lot of selling, this stock resulted in a completely inactive day where, geez, the price refused to move. Okay, even though there was about a million buyers, okay, there was close to a million sellers, meaning the price was fairly constant that day. What does that tell me? The price doesn't want to go anywhere for a day in an extremely volatile stock where the stock trades on average, at a dollar in variation. That means the stock doesn't know where it's going to go. So it was on my stock list. I again did not know where it was going to go. I put it on my watch list. What the hell's going on? Okay, so Monday, okay, of the sellers, but not quite as many, outweighed the buyers. And again, the stock didn't really do much. The next couple of days indicated some buying. An experienced trader will tell you, okay, um, things don't go on and on and on forever. You're not going to see 6 or 7 days of huge selling. A healthy downward trend can only happen when there's a little bit of recovery. Because of the fear. People want to buy it back up. They want to see it go all the way back up. It's not happened. There's uncertainty in this stock. But if you had looked at it on Monday, put it on your watch list, by the end of the week, the stock had gone up and is now a stock that everybody's looking at. Because until it proves that it's going to stop going up, the potential of it going back up is enormous, right? It's enormous. By the same token, it's going up enough that the potential to come back down is enormous. It's not likely it's going to stay flatlined for long. So it's on my watch list. It's on my watch list because the volume activity was pretty high. Okay? I'm going to incorporate another huge stock. Okay? My fourth stock of the week. And this is not a small stock. This is even more in terms of volume than the stock we saw before this. Okay, so we've looked at 20-second technologies, which had about, we said 5 or 10 million in one day. We saw it go up. Then we saw another stock. What was that? Nanotechnologies. Okay, Nanotechnologies was trading, what would we say, 20 million on Friday? The next stock, people, had about 30 million in contracts on Friday, the 20th. Okay, what did I do? I put it on my watch list. What did that stock do? Tantec Holdings. It engages in the development and manufacture of bamboo-based charcoal projects. It engages in the development and manufacture of bamboo-based charcoal products, operating through the following segments: consumer, product, biofuel, and the consumer product includes purification, deodorization, cleaning, barbecue charcoals designed for domestic market that's sold under the brand name Charcoal Doctor. The trading segment focuses in the exporting of charcoal products. The electric vehicle segment offers solar cells, lithium-ion batteries, auto parts, and electric control systems. The company was founded by Zhangyu Wang in 2010, and it is headquartered in Lishui, China. Tantec Holdings is what you would call a small cap stock because it trades under $5. I wouldn't call it a penny stock because it does trade above $1, and in order to be listed on a major exchange, you just cannot go under that $1 threshold. Did you know that? Okay, so if you're looking at penny stocks, because if it goes from a penny to 100, you made 100 times your investment. They don't. You're not going to be able to trade them on a major platform like this one. Okay, and B, it's not worth it. Okay, so where's the chart? Okay, let's look at the chart together. Okay, we're interested in the chart, so I'm going to bring you the chart live. You're going to learn how to use this live. You're going to watch me use this live. So where was it on the 20th? Boom, November 20th. Look to the left, 10H. On the 20th was trading at 138 in the morning. It went as high as 139 and closed at 130. Okay, so it really kind of went down, didn't it? It opened at 138. It went down as low as 119. That's, what is that? 20 cents. That's over 10%. That's over 15% drop in a day. And right. But then it went ahead and went back up and closed at 130. Somebody got interested in buying when it hit that 119, okay? All right. Now, I don't love the way this looks, so what do? I go to my settings. I go to my candlestick, okay? I chose candlestick because that actually tells me a little bit more, right? It tells me like, oh my God, look at what happened on Monday. Well, look at what happened on Friday. Look at what happened on Friday. A huge drop. A cliff. My buddy Frank, okay, God bless Frank, okay, he's emotional, okay, he sees the stock, He sees a stock, go up to $3 from, 250, 10%, 25, goes 250, doesn't stop going. He gets emotional, okay? He bought it right around 325. He decided he'd buy it around 325 on the 15th of November. By the 20th of November, his 1,000 shares, okay, or $3,200 investment went to 1,000. It got dropped in half. Okay. What did Frank do? He said, listen, man, I'm going to sell half of my position. So, right off the bat, instead of the 3,000 that he started with, okay, his stock is worth 1,250, except he sold 750. Now he has 750, which then doubled, went back to 1,500. Okay, went back to 1,500 plus the 750. He sold 2,250. He's only lost $700 in a week because he was too emotional. Okay, it happens to everybody every day. What did we do? We weren't interested in the stock here. We waited until it got on our watch list. Our watch list indicated on this day, the 20th, our watch list indicated there was an insane amount of volume, as much in this stock as any other stock on the stock market. Why? Because electric vehicles are in the news, clean shit's in the news, China's in the news, they're expected to do more. In case you hadn't noticed, the big banks, Blackstone, KRK, whatever, all the big investment banks have just doubled down on China. Okay? We know that. That news came out last Saturday. What happened on Monday morning? I don't know. Something happened. Okay, the stock went up a lot. It was on my watch list in the morning. Okay, sometime in here. I don't remember what exact moment. You can go to my YouTube channel. You can see what time I was interested in it. But I was interested in it from the get-go. Okay, I didn't publish it till right around here. Somebody bought it at $1.30. It went up to $2.50. What is that? $1.30, $2.50 is 40% of the day. Your day traders knew about it. They sold. Okay. So on my watch list, it opened at $1.43. Okay. If you had subscribed to my watch list, you'd know at $1.43. You would have made some money. It's pivoting. It looks like it's going to go back up. Okay. It looks like it closed at about $2.08 on the 27th. When was that? Yesterday? Okay. $2.08. If you had bought it at about, let's just say you bought it at 175, you made over 10% in the week. Okay. Okay. And the likelihood is you're going to make some money. The fact is, stocks don't do this. They don't go from zero to hero overnight. This is a volatile stock. It's on your watch list. You want to know about it. All right. Okay, that concludes this video. I've given you 4 stock picks, which are all pretty interesting. I know you're really thankful.